the technical teams as well as the political teams. Very importantly, our partners from UNFPA, as Tadeo talked, UNICEF, WHO, and very importantly, CIDA that funds the Together for SRH project, the Interreligious Council here, the civil society organizations, the security personnel in the region, the young people, some of whom are represented here from the skilling center, the media, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor as AIDS Information Center to lead this dialogue together with Busoga, Busoga, on a very important area such as how to combat teenage pregnancy within the region. So AIC as a partner, and that's AIDS Information Center, has been a key player in the response against HIV from 1990 when it formed. So AIC is now 35 years, and we have a branch here in Jinja that serves the Busoga region, but 8 other branches across the country. And part of the work, not just fighting HIV, but ensuring that people have access to sexual and reproductive health services amidst other health services that we provide. So we are glad to work with government and as a key partner of government, but also a key partner of the Busoga Kingdom to address the key challenges that continue to ravage our population. Busoga is one of the areas with a high incidence of HIV, and that runs alongside the high rates of teenage pregnancy as well as the early marriages. I remember we were here in 2014 when the First Lady was championing elimination of mother-child transmission. And the report that came through from the MPs who went around the communities to engage with the population actually moved a lot of people to tears, because 10 years ago, the problem of early marriages and teenage pregnancies was as bad as it is now. So things are not getting any better, and that's why we've called on each and every one of you to come in this room so that we can have that very important dialogue. So we are glad that with the partnership of government and like I said, to have the technical teams from the different districts here working together with the Kingdom of Bakasha, but also very importantly, Uganda AIDS Commission, which has the role of ensuring that we have one response in the country against HIV, means that we have all the necessary players in the room to be able to dialogue and come up with practical solutions to address the challenges that face us. And we are extremely grateful to the Swedish International Development Agency, SIDA, that is funding the project together for SRH, but also very importantly, the work being done by the Ministry of Health, Uganda AIDS Commission, and the district local governments. I'm glad some of the DHOs are here to represent the other colleagues for the work that is being done in the various health facilities, but also very importantly, the communities. And also extremely grateful that the district community development officers are here. It means that the facilities and the communities are all well catered for as we make this dialogue. So it's with extreme pleasure that we look forward to this engagement, and as AIC we remain steadfast in supporting and working together with government, but also all the other partners, and very importantly, Bakasha, to ensure that we move forward these initiatives that will help to uplift our population, keep them safe, but also very importantly, productive. I thank you and wish you very good deliberations.